we are going to do an extensive workshop for you guys. So.
Explain why you think homework should be bad, or why homework is bad and stuff like that. And if you're in the opposition, you're going to have a bunch of arguments that say, oh, homework is actually good, it shouldn't be bad, right?
So I'm a student of class 7 and I'm about to play regular and reading and I'll be doing the same.
Okay, case one, OG comes, tells you, oh, this remote is really bad, it's white, I don't like the color white, it's...
Chef who's lying on the floor on his back.
Look at this comparative.
Basically, scribbling is twisting the motion so hard.
France, Mongol Empire, British Empire, French Empire, everyone would like to pick on smaller countries.
The footprints and from the cache. Now, if you add up,
so we felt the answer was left hand. Because as you can see in the picture, there's a print of a right hand, which is
to make it to the island.
I was saying that while we tuition we have, what
I just when the first day I came and saw Sapphire Fire's workshop here.
Because to create that,